Hey guys, welcome back to the homestead. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. It's in the 60s today in the middle of February. It's great to be outside. And today we're going to introduce our two different groups of piglets to each other. These Coon piglets and Lena have not yet seen the IPP cross. So we're going to go ahead and let you guys see how that introduction turns out. This will be a fun little short video. All right, let's get going. All right, for those of you who aren't familiar with the channel, our little Lena here, who is a coon, had 6 piglets, 3 boys, 2 girls, and then one that was stillborn that we didn't identify the gender. Now, if you look, there's only 4. One of them just flat out disappeared. Big mystery to us, not sure if a predator got it. We're pretty upset about it, but you also notice this one right here. This little girl is, we believe, a Mangalista cross. The other 3 are definitely Kevin's kids. They look just like him, little round balls, and this one looks very different. It has the striping, which is not a common trait of coons. It's got a different body type. It's longer, less stocky, has a longer nose, so we're really thinking that we've got a cross there. But we're excited to introduce these to the IPP coon crosses. So most of these have the same dad. That Mangalista one might have a dad of ogre, but the rest of them would have the same dad. The other 2 are boars as well. So out of all of the piglets we have, we only have 1 gilt. But we'll show you as soon as they get over here. All right, so we're over here in the main pig area. I'm gonna try to catch these 2 little guys down here. Why don't you show? All right, they might be a little hard to catch, but they're starting to eat a little bit, which is cool. But they are also pretty feisty. All right, well, I got one. I'll try it. We'll be right back. We're gonna try to catch the other one. Look at that little thing. Riker, you can do it. Nice catch! Alright, let's go over there and try to catch him or introduce him, okay? Alright, so we're over here. We got the new piglets. This is the first time they're going to see them. Interested in how this interaction is going to go. Alright, set them down. Well, Mama's not sure what to do. Babies are like, what in the world? So they're a week apart in age. Oh, pigs are so smart. They're very curious, like what this is all about. So we think these 2 that we brought over, we know they're IPP coon crosses. Mom was an IPP and the dad was Kevin. And the 3 orange ones, the dad was Kevin. And the other one, like I said a little bit ago, we think the dad is Ogre the Mangalista. So she is not sure about them. And they're not sure what to do with this small fence. They're used to fences that they can squeeze through. I don't know how curious they are with each other, but they're very interested in this new area. Should we let them hang out for a minute and see if they start getting along a little better? All right. We'll come back to filming here in a minute. We just want them to experience each other for a minute and get used to each other. Let's try to herd them back over here to where the rest of them are. After a little while, they're starting to seem interested in each other. Splitting up from mama a little bit, going exploring with the IPP crosses. You know, we're not planning on keeping any of these piglets, but it sure is fun having these piglets and seeing them interact with each other. Well, we're gonna round them back up. Hopefully you all enjoyed the few minutes of cuteness with these piglets, and we'll catch you on the next update. Bye.